Want to know one of the most damaging words? Steal progress. Three little letters that have the power to produce the most lackluster results, right? And the thing is, we don't even know until we know. So the word try needs to be taken out of your vocabulary. Now, let's be honest. When has it really gotten us what we were looking for to begin with, right? And for our passions, they have to be a desire. Desire will lead into actionable steps. Now, if you are taking those actionable steps, then know and believe that you are doing something because you're not giving up on your dreams that easily. You're not out here trying. Replace that word for 1 week. You'll see what I'm talking about.